Krishna Janmashtami, we are going to make this Panchamrit. So the 5 Panch means is 5 and Amrit means is the ingredients. So we have honey, ghee, sugar, yogurt and also fresh milk, and so this is what we need. So we are going to mix all of them and I will be giving you the amount of how much, and so we will be adding all this, and there's a religious significance in it. I am not going to explain to you about it, so you may Google it on your own site, but we will see how this to be made. So to begin with, we will start off with 1 spoon of ghee. You may use tablespoons also, so whatever spoon that you are using, there's a count for it, and we will do with that. So 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm just doing a small quantity, so I'm just using a teaspoon. And then we have 2 teaspoons of ghee. Ghee is important, that needs to be used. And then we have 4 teaspoons of sugar. Our next ingredient is 8 teaspoons of curd or yogurt. Now our final ingredient is 16 spoons of cow's milk or fresh milk. We will mix up all together until it is well combined. Traditionally they used to have another equipment or tool to make this. I don't have that, so I'm just using a whisk. A whisk is insufficient, so all we need to do is just mix it up well. And our Panchamrit is ready to be served for Prasad for Krishna Jayanti or Krishna Janmashtami. And our Prasad is ready in a couple of minutes. As you can see, I'm mixing up everything well. Traditionally, tulsi leaf has been, or holy basil, that leaf has been added, but I can't obtain that leaf, so I'm going to add rose petal instead of tulsi. And so our Krishna Janmashtami Prasad is ready, and this is my Krishna Janmashtami special, which is called Panchamrit. So I hope you have seen all the things that how it is been made, and I hope you will try this in your home. Either you can use it for your prayers for those who are Hindu, and for those who are not Hindu, you can just make it and enjoy it as a snack. And it's very healthy. It contains like 5 kinds of healthy ingredients, and yeah, give a try out. So thank you very much, and happy Krishna Janmashtami to everyone. And in Tamil they call it Gokulashtami or Krishna Jayanti. So this is what it is for the celebration. So thank you very much, and see you in my next video. I do not know what am I going to make, but I'm coming up with something new. See you soon, and bye bye for now. Ciao. Signing off, Friday Friendly Kitchen.